Mastani woman fell on the ground, breathing fast, body weak, but there was courage in her eyes. The cruel giant moved forward. The ground was shaking with his footsteps. Now your story is over. The prisoners stepped back in fear. Suddenly, a small voice rang out. Amy, you cannot give up. The same little child whose eyes still held hope. The Mastani woman looked at her, and as new strength came into her, she closed her eyes and prayed from the bottom of her heart. Suddenly, light began to shine from her body. The cave lit up. The cruel giant took a step back. What is happening? The Mastani woman slowly stood up. Now she was not the same as before. There was light in her eyes, and the lamp was shining like the sun. Then she said loudly, "This power is for the oppressed." And then there was a great explosion of light. The giant screamed and started to retreat, it seemed, but suddenly the giant stopped. A strange calm came over his face, and a voice echoed in his mind. You two are incomplete without each other. The giant was shocked. The voice of my mentor? He went into the past, an old shrine where a spiritual elder was standing, and in front of him, two disciples, one Mastani woman, and the other this cruel giant. The giant's eyes opened. No, this can't be true, he shouted. Mastani, we both have the same mentor. Everyone was shocked. The Mastani woman's face changed color. This is impossible, the giant said in pain. I can't kill you because my salvation is connected to you. Silence fell in the cave. Will this enmity end, or will a new secret be revealed?